Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're taking a deep look at one of the most futuristic and luxurious RV concepts ever imagined. The 2027 Volvo Motorhome is designed to completely redefine premium travel by combining Scandinavian elegance, intelligent technology, sustainable engineering, and extraordinary comfort into one incredible vehicle. Inspired by the innovation and safety leadership of Volvo Cars, this futuristic motorhome represents what the future of luxury road travel could truly look like. From the very first glance, the exterior design immediately reflects Volvo's signature minimalist style. The front fascia features a sleek illuminated grille design paired with ultra-thin Thor's hammer LED headlights that give the motorhome a sophisticated and futuristic identity. Unlike traditional, bulky RVs, the 2027 Volvo Motorhome uses smooth aerodynamic lines and a streamlined silhouette to create an elegant appearance while improving efficiency during long-distance travel. Large panoramic smart glass windows wrap around the living section of the vehicle, allowing passengers to enjoy breathtaking views while maintaining privacy through adjustable tint technology. The body panels are clean and seamless, with hidden storage compartments integrated carefully into the lower sides to preserve the sleek design. One of the most impressive exterior features is the expandable panoramic lounge system. When parked, sections of the sidewalls automatically extend outward, dramatically increasing interior space and creating a luxury suite atmosphere. Combined with a retractable rooftop sky lounge complete with ambient lighting and seating, the motorhome transforms into a private, modern retreat wherever it stops. Integrated solar panels are built directly into the roofline, helping support off-grid capability while maintaining the clean Scandinavian styling. Flush-mounted doors, illuminated side steps, and large aerodynamic alloy wheels complete the sophisticated exterior appearance. At the rear, the motorhome features Volvo-inspired vertical LED taillights connected by a sleek illuminated strip stretching across the width of the vehicle. Active aerodynamic systems automatically adjust at higher speeds to improve stability and efficiency, reinforcing the futuristic nature of this luxury RV. Step inside the 2027 Volvo Motorhome and the interior immediately feels more like a luxury Scandinavian apartment than a traditional RV. Volvo has focused heavily on clean design, premium materials, and calming environments to create an atmosphere that feels modern, elegant, and incredibly relaxing. The main lounge area is open, spacious, and beautifully designed. Plush reclining seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions surround a massive retractable OLED entertainment display paired with a premium surround sound system. Large panoramic windows and a full-length glass roof flood the cabin with natural light, creating an airy and peaceful atmosphere throughout the day. Ambient lighting flows subtly throughout the cabin and automatically adjusts depending on time of day or passengers' preferences. Sustainable wood trim, soft leather upholstery, and brushed aluminum details create a premium environment while staying true to Volvo's minimalist design philosophy. The kitchen area combines elegance with smart functionality. It features a modern induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, hidden sink system, built-in espresso machine, and intelligent storage compartments. Stone countertops and soft-close cabinetry give the kitchen a refined appearance while maximizing practicality for extended travel. Toward the rear, the master bedroom transforms the motorhome into a true luxury suite on wheels. A king-size floating bed with an advanced memory foam mattress provides exceptional sleeping comfort, while smart glass panoramic windows allow passengers to enjoy incredible scenery during the day and total privacy at night. Integrated climate control systems, wireless charging stations, and customizable ambient lighting ensure maximum comfort during long journeys. Hidden storage systems are carefully integrated into the walls, maintaining the clean and uncluttered design of the space. The bathroom area feels like a modern spa. It includes a spacious rainfall shower, heated flooring, illuminated mirrors, and elegant Scandinavian-inspired fixtures. Advanced water recycling and purification systems improve efficiency during off-grid adventures while maintaining luxury-level comfort. Performance is another area where the 2027 Volvo Motorhome stands out. The vehicle is expected to use an advanced all-electric or hybrid electric powertrain inspired by Volvo's next-generation EV technology. Multiple electric motors deliver instant torque and smooth acceleration, making the large motorhome surprisingly responsive and quiet on the road. The adaptive air suspension system continuously adjusts ride height and damping to provide exceptional comfort regardless of road conditions. Even rough highways and uneven terrain feel smooth and controlled, giving passengers a relaxed luxury travel experience. Volvo's legendary focus on safety is clearly visible throughout the vehicle. Advanced driver assistance systems include semi-autonomous highway driving, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, collision avoidance systems, blind spot monitoring, and a complete 360-degree camera setup. Inside the cockpit, a large panoramic digital dashboard displays navigation, battery management, vehicle diagnostics, and entertainment controls through a clean and intuitive interface. Voice-controlled AI systems allow passengers to manage lighting, seating, climate, and multimedia functions effortlessly. Connectivity is also highly advanced. High-speed onboard internet, wireless smartphone integration, smart home compatibility, and remote vehicle controls transform the motorhome into a fully connected luxury living space capable of functioning as both a home and mobile office. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2027 Volvo Motorhome firmly sits within the ultra-luxury RV segment. Industry estimates suggest a starting price around $850,000, while fully customized versions with bespoke interior materials, advanced technology upgrades, and exclusive personalization packages could exceed $1.8 million. The 2027 Volvo Motorhome represents an incredible vision of future luxury travel. It combines Scandinavian elegance, intelligent technology, sustainable engineering, and five-star comfort into a vehicle designed to completely transform the motorhome experience. For travelers who want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing luxury, safety, or advanced technology, this remarkable motorhome proves that the future of premium RV living is smarter, cleaner, and more luxurious than ever before. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.